Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we want to answer this GRE question. So we have access to the volume of the rectangular above, which is 720. And we know that AG is equal to 15. And we are going to find what would be the closest value to the distance from C to G, which is this one. So here are the answers. So we wanted to find the correct one here. So I recommend you pause here for a moment and to try to find the answer by yourself first. So here is our rectangular. We can start by finding one of the width of this rectangular. So we already have the length, which is 15, and the height, which is 6. If we can get the value for GF, then we can use the Pythagorean theorem 2 times to find the CG distance. So first, we need to find the DG value. So the DG value, which is here, is equal to DG to the power of 2 is equal to AD to the power of 2 plus AG to the power of 2. So this is a formula for finding the DG. And so why do we need that? Because having access to that can lead us to find the value of the CG by using this Pythagorean theorem. So which is the CG to the power of 2 is equal to DG to the power of 2 plus CD to the power of 2. So now, as we have access to the volume, which is 720, we can easily find the value for GF by multiplying AG times GF, which is the length to the width of the bottom part, times the height, which is FE, is equal to 720. So we know AG value, which is 15 times GF, and the FE value also is 6. So then by solving this equation, we can easily find the GF equal to 8. So this is helping us to find the first Pythagorean theorem. So, and to get the value for DG. So we showed that DG to the power of 2 is equal to AD to the power of 2 plus AG to the power of 2. So then DG to the power of 2 is equal to, so we know that AD is equal to the GF. So we replace that with the 8 to the power of 2 plus AG, which we know that is 15 to the power of 2. So then by using the Pythagorean theorem for the CG, we can, incorporate the value that we found for the BG, and easily by substituting this value, we will get CG to the power of 2 is equal to the 8 squared plus 15 squared plus 6 squared. So then while you're taking the square root from the right side of the equation, you will get CG equal to this one. And as the length could not be negative, then we can only consider the positive sign of these square roots. So these giving us CG equal to 18.03. So this concludes the answer would be 18, which is the closest value to the CG distance. So thank you so much for your listening.